In this tutorial, we want to show you how to add goals from Goal Guide. So right now, John, student, has some annual goals. We've got meal preparation and self-management. Currently, there's nothing under self-management. So we're going to add a new post, and we're going to go progress on budgeting or budgeting goal. And we'll select an image for budgeting. Monthly budget. And then, as you can see right here, you can choose a goal from this icon. And let's see, he's got a goal for budgeting. Oh, pay bills every Monday. All right, let's try that. And here, one of the great things about Goal Guide is you can add an image to represent your progress. This is a picture of John doing his monthly bills, and we're going to say post. And there we have some progress on his annual goal of self-management under budgeting.